What up? It's Will Vitela, home technology expert, at another job site in Aliso Viejo, California. But wait, this is not my installation. I'm coming here to save the day. Somebody else installed a TCL indoor TV outside, but this is what happens. It got water damaged even though he was always covering it with a TV outdoor cover. Now, an outdoor TV cover is not perfectly sealed, and so water is going to damage a TV outside like this. So that's why I'm not only upgrading the audio, but I'm installing a Neptune TV, an outdoor TV made by Peerless-AV. Well, who is Peerless-AV? Well, if you own an electric vehicle, or next time you're in front of Whole Foods at the parking lot, or in this case, I'm showing you a Target parking lot, you'll notice where they charge the electric vehicles, they have a display advertisement signage like this, along with an outdoor enclosure. Yeah, that's right. It's made by Peerless-AV, the same company that makes the commercial grade outdoor displays on the electric charging stations is the company that makes the Neptune outdoor TV. And that's a pro quality 4K outdoor TV, 75 inches. Inside of it, you'll also notice that I put in an Apple TV 4K inside of the enclosure, and it has a weather tight cover. So that way, this makes the best badass 75-inch streaming TV out there, making it simple with one remote control for power, for volume, and changing channels. You could watch NFL coming up on YouTube TV this coming up season, and you could watch ESPN, you could do Prime Video, Disney Plus for the kids. Wow, this is awesome. But I also set up a Sonos Move wireless speaker with voice control, and I put a mini Sonos wireless subwoofer in the back. Now, I want to show you something absolutely amazing about this outdoor weatherproof TV. This is another shot, another look at the old TV. Notice how you could see a reflection on the TV. It's a mirror-like reflection. This is a different TV from a different job, but notice how it's covered. It has a patio cover, and still it's highly reflective on the screen. Now, this is the Neptune TV. There's no mirror-like reflection, so you're not watching yourself watch TV. To have your outdoor TV professionally installed the right way, go to HomeTechExpert.com and click on Schedule a Free Estimate.